Hi again, I'm Amber.
Hi again, I'm Bryant. We're here to read another book.
Ready?
Ready.
Skeleton Hiccups. Skeleton woke up. Hick, hick, hick. He had the hiccups. Hick, hick, hick. He took a shower. Hick, hick, hick. Brushed his teeth. Hick, hick, hick. He polished his bones. Hick, hick, hick. Carved a pumpkin. Hick, hick, hick. Raked some leaves. Hick, hick, hick. Played with ghosts. Hick, hick, hick. Ghost told the skeleton, hold your breath. Hick, hick, hick. Eat some sugar. Hick, hick, hick. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drank some water upside down. Hick, hick, hick. Ghost made a face. Hick, hick, hick. Said boo to the skeleton. Hick, hick, hick. But nothing worked. Hick, hick, hick. The hiccup stayed. Hick, hick, hick. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror. Hick, hick, hick. Held it up. Hick, hick, hick. Skeleton screamed. Hick, hick, hick. The hiccups left. They jumped away. Hick, 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 hooray. The end. Thank you.
Thank you.